God has sent me to this country for the solution of all problems, to go and be the president of this nation in 2023. He said, we are in serious trouble now, and I want everybody to go and pray about me if it is yes or no. Past 20 years ago, I was have so many things that maybe they call it as a message from God, that one day will be the one day that I will be the head of the state as a president of this country. Last year, I was called by God. He said that this is time for me to go and contest for that position, for the position of president. I feel relaxed. I said, I don't want that position because I'm okay on my way. If I want to eat, I will eat. There are so many small problems that I'm confronting. In as much as I will not have a noise until the day that I'm accept the calling of God. And okay, you go. So that reason why I'm showing out that I'm ready for my God, being as a messenger of Allah. 80% of this country, of Nigeria people living in poverty. It's a pity, great pity. But my own aims and objective for this country is that showing in this provision of security, building of refinery, provision of economic development by control of national economy, invest in agriculture and technology, provision of welfare service by providing basic social amenities such as electricity, pipe-borne water, health facility, education institution, motorable road, and right justice. Freedom and happiness of every citizen. Maintenance of external relations for the promotion of global peace and security. Settlement of disputes by settling disputes between the citizen or among citizens and state or other corporate institutions. Freedom of religion and arrangement of rehabilitation of people in this country. Elimination of poverty, ritual, and unemployment. For the Azu, I'm said to my people that the God said if I'm be in that position for a year, everything will be changed, will be good. I don't see the things that make the Azu strike because there is no love in this country. We have the leadership problem. I'm come from a platform of APC. The price of the form is too much. It's showing the type of the love we are our leaders having for us. But I know God that set me out can provide it. If it is the price that they want, God can provide. But I don't even have any group. But I have God. I believe with God all things are possible. I always tell my people that I don't even have money to spend for anybody or to anybody. But I will spend the word of God. This is our generation. And we need to plan for the next generation. If I'm saying not to concern me by this time, I might not have the children. What about my grandchildren? We need to be planned. It's our own generation now. We need to have the good plan for the youth, for everybody, to make our country proud everywhere. That's what we need. And I'm sure if God is take me to that post, Nigeria will be better in everything throughout the world.